Mommy went to Tracy today. I saw something in the general store I thought you might like. So here. Mary, please open it. I know you'll like it. Please open it. I'll open it. I know you'll like it. It'll make you laugh. It'll make you smile again. Everything will be the way it was. Listen. You listen now. I know it's your favorite. Do you like it? Please say you like it, Mary. Please. Please say you like it, Mary. Please say you like it.